welcome to my YouTube channel where I bring new and amazing crypto projects for all of you in which you can invest and get great profit. But one thing that I always mention is none of any project is financial advised by me, so always do your own research before invest. Let's move to our project. But before we proceed, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe to my channel and press the notification bell to get updated by my upcoming and latest video. Thank you. Okay guys, so today in this video we are going to talk about ToneQuester. This is a Telegram based Web3 mini app where users can participate in different activities within the app. According to the project, users can complete daily check-in, rewards, finish tasks, join Telegram communities, try partner mini app games and invite friends to participate. So as we can see here, we are to the website of the project. Your attention has value. Quester transform users' attention, app activity and quest participation inside Telegram into visible growth and ecosystem contribution. And then we can see some details about the launch app, and there you have the option to read the document as well. And then how does it work? So basically it's a simple growth loop designed for Telegram users. Discover apps, explore Telegram mini apps, games, tools and ecosystem activities inside Quester, and then complete quest, finish daily quest, app actions, check-in rewards and ecosystem takes to earn growth EXP. And then you can simply build your growth. Use EXP activity records and AP to build a visible growth profile inside the ecosystem. Here growth is a project. Users don't just complete tasks, they build growth records, identity, progression and ecosystem contribution over time. Every quest action and app interaction becomes part of the visible growth path. You can discover apps and build growth. Quester connects users with Telegram apps and turn real participation into growth records and ecosystem contribution, etc. So here we have details about the AP represent ecosystem contribution. Like it represent ecosystem contribution, they are generated through real app related actions and may unlock future platform benefits as well. And then we have Quester growth roadmap, that what they have planned for their future and what is the future planning of the project. You can check that we have details about the growth step by step throughout to 2026. Growth first, ecosystem later. The first phase, quarter one, has growth loop foundation, then AP expansion, AP economy mechanism, and then open platform ecosystem as well. Some frequently asked question, you can check out the frequently asked question. And then we have the social link. You have to simply follow them on Telegram to be able to understand the project and other members of the project and stay in touch with the team. And we also have the Twitter link. So here we are redirected to the Twitter. You have to simply follow them on Twitter to know more information about the project, to check that what this platform basically brings to you, and we have all the required details on Twitter. So it's better to join the Twitter to be able to understand the project easily. Okay, so here we have a white paper to know more information about the project. That this is a growth-oriented application platform based on Telegram mini app through a user growth system, attention economy mechanism, and ecosystem incentive system. And then you can check out the background of Quester, that how does it started and how it started, etc. and what can users obtain in Quester, what is growth ecosystem, and then level rewards, etc. Everything is mentioned here, so all you have to do is to read the white paper to know more information about the project. Okay guys, so let's move to the Telegram mini app to know more information about the project. So let's move to the Telegram and start playing. Okay guys, so here we are redirected to the Telegram and then just get started. Here we can see first of all we have option to check the today's task. Everything is mentioned here. First of all, here we have option to choose the language. You have to simply click on language and you are going to choose English, Arabic, Turkey, Farsi, etc. So I'll select English. And then you have to simply check the option to invite your friends. This is very important. Here we have your invitation link. You have to simply share this link through social media to your friends, and you have to invite to this, and you can share your invitation link with friends on Telegram or other platforms to grow together. And then we have option to join the channel. Here we have option to join the Telegram channel and then Telegram community to be able to understand the project as well. So basically here we can see we have Telegram tasks details. I have already claimed my daily check-in task. Here you can simply click on check-in and then you are going to get 40 EXP. So join 3 apps and get plus 60 tasks as well. and then you can invite your friends to get 100 exp tasks. So all you have to do is to share with your friends and you're going to get tasks. As well as here we have details about their growth. You can check out the level, etc., and the next level rewards are mentioned here. All you have to do is to claim your rewards from here, and then you have to simply see that we have already claimed our rewards, and you can check the details about the AP and gram on a profile. Here we can see that we have earned 1 AP and 0.02 gram. Similarly, you have to simply open the level 3, 4 and 5 to earn more rewards and to earn more AP and gram. Here we have AP pool, which will be start within 1 day and 23 hours. Here we have the countdown. You can check, keep collecting AP before the countdown ends. So we can see here that after the AP pool will started, you are going to get after the countdown ends, you are going to earn USDT through the AP. So all you have to do is to keep collecting AP before the countdown will end. So for withdraw, you have to simply check that this is a simple way. You have to connect to wallet and Telegram, and then you have to simply choose application, Tonekeeper, Gram Wallet, and etc. And simply have to withdraw. Okay, so here we have some information about the trending apps. You can check out the trending app and feature app as well. You can check that you can see the view ranking as well. Here we have weekly XP rank ranked by earn this week. You can check out the top 100 players from here. So you can see the details from here. Everything is mentioned here. Okay guys, so this was all about it. I'll drop the link in my description which you can use to simply access the project. But let me remind you once again that none of any project is financially advised by me. So please do your own research before. Thank you so much for watching.